As it turns out, living in an RV in this area, where I have been since November last year, is very, very difficult. I was such a fool to think that I will boondock through the winter or something in this area, and well, this winter showed me that that was not gonna be the case. But it wasn't just the winter that I realized that living in my RV in the area that I am is difficult, because this is a very beautiful area. Therefore, a lot of people want to come here. It's a very outdoorsy, so many activities that one can do during the winter or the summer. I knew it was beautiful, I just didn't know that it was difficult to live in an RV in this area. And also, when you do find something like I found, it can be quite pricey during the peak season, which has started right now. So I am moving.
See the light of the storm. Hear the sound of the unseen. In the empty fall, in the silence, listen. May it lift your heart and move your feet to run again. May you wander far. You will not be lost within. And you'll see the light, though the darkness seems so strong. In the deepest night, let love lead you. Come and rest your head. Here time is an ocean. There's peace and grace. Mercy's born between the days. And you'll see the
Yep, I am moving. Finally, after, let's see, I got here in November of last year. It is moving day. Being in this RV resort through the winter has been awesome. But it is a resort, and people can make the reservations a year ahead. And because of that, the resort is now full. So I had to find me a new place to take my life to. So as soon as I knew oops. I should be driving, not talking. Let's see, can we do it? As soon as I knew that that would be the situation, that the park was full for the summer, and also that the rates will go up a lot, because it's the good weather. I get it, and I don't blame them for that. It's a business. But I need to find me a place to live, and they're not like RV parks. There's no full timing around here. There is no full timing. And the regulations are very strict. So I started driving around, see if there was any other RV park or what was I gonna do? It was not easy. I was driving around trying to find if there were any other RV parks or any other option, and I came across a mobile home park. But I saw some RVs parked in there, so I drove in and discovered that this mobile home park is, I don't know. This mobile home park had a few RV sites, but they were all full. However, I met the manager and I gave him my number, my name, and I started calling him once a month, every month. Until recently, he told me that there was somebody else moving out at the end of the month. So yes, I scored myself a long-term RV site at a mobile park. I never thought that I would be so excited to tell you that I'm moving to a mobile park. Oh boy, oh boy.
Yeah, I'm moving at the speed of sound. I got both hands off the wheel. No, nothing's gonna slow me down.
And now that I have scored myself a long-term site, I want to find ways to make my life a little bit more established and gain some more space, more living space. Also, I plan to buy some summer toys like a kayak and a paddleboard. And to do all of that and not be worried about my stuff around my RV, I have rented myself a storage unit. So this is gonna make my life so much easier.
Keep on heading straight to the top. I'm gonna show you something real. No, nothing's gonna make me stop. I got breath in my lungs. My blood pumping strong. I gotta tell you what I feel inside. I feel so good. I got breath in my lungs.
It's hard to believe how much stuff I carry with me. Wow. I have emptied the cargo area of my Jeep.
Good to be alive. So good to be alive.
Whew. I made a few trips back and forth from the RV park, RV resort to my storage room. And it got hot. I can't believe it. I have felt hot. It's been forever. So I got a t-shirt on. It's like news. It's something I must share because it hasn't happened in so long.
So good to be alive. So good to be alive. I'm hitting harder than a hurricane. I got nothing left to fear. No, there isn't any other way. I got breath in my lungs. My blood pumping strong. I gotta tell you what I
As my last day at this resort, which is beautiful, I am going to enjoy the pool for the first time. I'm probably not gonna get a tan, but at least I'm going to expose my body to the E vitamin from our beautiful sun. I hope you're enjoying yourself wherever you are. But since I worked a lot today and I moved most everything to the storage room already, or the storage unit, I should say, I'm ready to go. So I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of the day by the pool, totally relaxing. Today is day 2 of my move, hence I changed my top. The pants are the same because why not? I am gonna get them all dirty anyways. So I better get going because even though I don't have a lot of stuff to move today, I have a lot of little parts that I must not forget. Let's vamonos!
I feel so good. I got breath in my lungs. My blood pumping strong. I gotta tell you what I feel inside.
I am at my new spot, my permanent spot. Who knows how long I am gonna be here. And because of that, I am setting up in a way that is a little bit more permanent. And because I have a storage unit now, I was able to remove a lot of things that I'm not gonna use in a daily basis. And I gain another sitting area that I'm actually loving. When I left California, I removed the passenger seat. By removing the passenger seat, I gained a lot of space that I was using to store my tools. But since I don't use my tools every day, now they're in my storage unit. And instead I had this sitting area that makes me feel very like a cocoon. And it's so pretty to be able to look outside, even though I see mostly RVs, but I get a peek of the mountains. But more than anything, I get the daylight, and that gives you a feeling of energy. Anyways, and a long time ago, I purchased this shade at a thrift store, and it collapses also. It's very, very small, but I thought it would be a cute idea to hang it here. And I do have a light in it, but I'm gonna show you later tonight. I also brought my plants here, so it's more like a reading nook now. Cute little place. I love this area so much. It doesn't matter where I live, as long as I am in this area. I feel so happy that I scored myself a long-term spot at this mobile park. I never thought I would be excited about it, but I am. Because it is a gorgeous area. Again, it's gonna be so fun, and this place looks clean and decent. I'm gonna keep to myself and just enjoy my life. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? I am now all moved in, and I don't know what to expect because this is mobile home park, and the people that are in the RVs, they're long term, so it's a different lifestyle than an RV resort. It's a different vibe. It's a little bit quieter because there's no pool, and the park for the children are a little bit farther than I was at the resort. So like everything in life, there are pros and cons to everything. I just hope that the cons that I will find here are tolerable and that I adjust and keep in mind why I am doing all of this, but also keep in mind that I am in a beautiful area and the weather is getting super nice. So I'm not gonna be here on my site a lot. I am working now, so most of the weekdays are gonna be spent at work, and the weekends are gonna be spent exploring, jeep camping. I'm excited about the changes that I have made, the progress that I have made. So the positive of being in this park is I no longer have to think about where I will be next month. This is a permanent spot, and it's the least expensive spot that I have ever found in Utah. I am very happy about that, and because I was saving a lot of money, I was able to rent a storage unit that has amplified my space we make adjustments. Life goes on, and it's up to us how life goes on. For me, I have chosen that my life will go on in the best possible way, and nothing really matters except for our health and our loved ones. And all these material things, they come and go. They're big, they're small, they break, they're replaceable. I don't know, I'm just very happy about the lessons that I'm learning in life. And not just learning them, but having the opportunity to implement them and to also share them. I think that's so very important that we share the good stuff and also the bad stuff. So we find balance. It's all about finding balance. And I feel that I am finding balance in my life. And this means so much to me because you don't know, but my life has been so chaotic, most of it, and I'm just happy that it isn't anymore. I'm a rookie about living this way. I am a rookie. I've been so blessed and things working out. Thank you for watching and sharing your thoughts and your experiences with me through the comments. I really enjoy that. That's how I feel close to you, because it's not like I'm saying all these words and nobody's listening. Somebody is listening, and I know because we chat through the comments, and I love that. Thank you. Thank you for being here with me. I'm not alone. Please come back for the next one. Ciao. Mwah. Living in an RV in Utah, living in this area. Go back. So I am on my new